Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character chuán or zhuàn step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now, let's write. This is a polyphone. Chuán means to pass on, to spread. To transfer. Zhuàn means biography. Or relay station. For example, 传统 tradition. Convention. 自传 autobiography. How does this tradition come from? 这个传统是怎么来的？ How does this tradition 这个传统 come from? "这个传统是怎么来的？这个传统是怎么来的？" How does this tradition come from? 传 in cursive. Chuán, to pass on, to spread, to transfer. 传 biography, relay station. 传统 tradition, convention. 自传 autobiography. How does this tradition come from? 这个传统是怎么来的？传 or 传。Please comment any words or sentence with a Chinese character 传. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.